Okay, now we will begin the new chapter, that is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is a branch of mathematics which deals the position of a point upon a plane. Suppose this is a plane. Here is a point. Okay. This point, if we will divide this plane into the coordinates or divide into 4 parts, then we can find out or we can take any fixed point, that is this point. From this point has what position? Okay, so this distance and this distance is the position of this point. So, coordinate geometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with the position of any object in the plane or lying in the plane. This idea of the coordinate geometry was first developed by a French philosopher and mathematician, René Descartes. Descartes from 1596 to 1650. Okay, in honor of this scientist, the plane where we find out the position of the object or whole system is known as Cartesian system. Now, what is Cartesian system? Suppose we have two lines. One is horizontal line. This is horizontal, and this is vertical line. We saw that two lines are there, horizontal and vertical. Both lines will be mutually perpendicular to each. So they intersect the point which is called origin, or that is the intersection point for both the lines. So these two lines divide the whole plane into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. These lines are known as the axis. Okay, like x, o, x dash is horizontal axis and y, o, y dash is vertical axis. The horizontal axis is also known as x-axis, or vertical axis, that is y, o, y. This is x, o, x dash is known as x-axis, and y, o, y dash is known as y-axis. Correct? So we know that here among this figure we saw that this OX and OY is positive in direction, so they are positive axis. OY, the X dash and OY dash is negative axis or in negative direction. Correct? So these are called negative x-axis and negative y-axis. This is positive x-axis and this is positive y-axis. These two lines divide the plane into 4 quadrants: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. The above plane is called XY plane, which is divided into 4 quadrants. Okay, the XY plane is also known as Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. This Cartesian system, it has Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. That means when these two lines, this horizontal line and this vertical line, intersect at a point O, that is known as origin, these two lines which are perpendicular to each divide the whole plane into 4 quadrants: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Here is OX and OY is a positive axis. Okay, OX dash and OY dash is in negative direction, so negative axis. This is OX positive of x-axis, OY is a positive of y-axis. O dash x dash is negative of x-axis, and OY dash is positive of x-axis. Correct? So we can find the position of any point in any part of this plane. The axis are also known as coordinate axis, or the plane is known as coordinate plane. Okay, now how can we find the position of a point in the system, in the Cartesian plane? The position of a point. You see that when you take two axes, suppose a point is here, A. The perpendicular distance of this point from y-axis. Okay, this is perpendicular distance from y-axis, and this is the perpendicular distance from x-axis. The perpendicular distance of point of A, that is point A, from y-axis. Okay, that will give us x coordinate, is x coordinate, while perpendicular distance of A from x-axis is y coordinate. Okay, this distance is y coordinate. Correct? So we have the ordered pair of this is x and y. In this one, when we locate a point on the Cartesian plane, we always write the x-axis or x coordinate first and y coordinate later on. This is called xy coordinate of a point, or the location of or coordinate of a point A or any point, or this group pair is also known as ordered pair. Okay, this way we can find out the position of a point on the Cartesian plane. Getting? Okay, dear.